Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and swatching the Juvia's Place Black Friday bundle. Yay! I'm very new to all this, so I don't know how you would like test if a brush is good. But they look good. I would love, if people actually watch this video, I would love for like some comments. Like give me your best like makeup tips, because I want to know everything. Wow, these like feel really nice. Like, wow. These are awesome. Oh, another brush, wow. Oh, the Queen lip gloss. Wow, okay, so I found a box of tampons in my closet and we are in business, baby. So we have this beauty. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's focusing so much better. Okay, now I want to show you the back of the box too. It's so cute. It's all so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Do you swatch lip glosses on your... Maybe I'll just... No, I'm not going to try it out. Look at that swatch. I love that color. Okay, this is awesome. Great. This is the Royalty 2 by Juvia's. It's their loose highlighter. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna show you this from over here. I don't think I've ever used a loose highlighter. I don't, oh yeah. Okay, you can kind of see that it's like popping. Yeah. Yes, this is awesome. This is the heroin.
Not like the drug, but like
the hero. This packaging, oh wow. This packaging is unreal. This is so pretty. Wow. This is so pretty. It's so soft. Now to the really exciting part, the eyeshadow palettes. Oh wait, I think there might be one more highlighter. Ooh, wow. Oh my, I'm so excited. This is so cool. Look at this cool ass box. But yeah, this is really, really pretty. That looks really nice. Ooh, look at this one. And it has a little mirror in it. They're all, oh, this one is so fucking soft. Oh. Nubian 3 coral. Am I saying that right? It comes nice and bubble wrapped. That shit ain't getting broken in the mail. Ooh. I didn't realize how many like shimmery shades there would be. I love shimmer. Ooh, she's soft. Okay. That actually went on pretty nice. Sometimes I can't tell if I'm like swatching bad or if like things just like don't swatch great, but like that went on pretty nice. None of these have like names, which is fine. The one I just swatched is this little guy. I wanna swatch, I wanna try this one up here. Wow, they're really nice, really pretty, really soft. Okay. 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna swatch all of these. Maybe I'll do a whole little separate video for that. I'll just not swatch any more of those, but just know they're like really beautiful. Oh, I forgot to mention this whole bundle was $90. It's usually like $120, which really isn't that bad. Like to begin with, $120 for all of this. You get 4 eyeshadow palettes, 3 highlighters, the lip gloss, the brushes, and the blush. For $120 usually. This one is the Nomad. Oh, I love the woman on the front of this one. This is probably my favorite packaging. Oh, she's pretty. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I like these yellows. I'm definitely gonna swatch those. I'm not a huge fan of this one. Just cause like whenever I put like darker colors on my eyes, like darker browns, it always kind of looks like poop. And maybe that's cause I'm bad at doing them. I'm gonna swatch. This one has a little bit more fallout than like other ones I've seen from their palettes, but like they usually don't have like any fallout. That swatch really nice. It's so hard to see because I'm also so pale. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the top yellow. Oh, that one went on really well too. It's so hard to see. I'm sorry I'm so pale. Yeah, those like went on really nice. I'm gonna swatch the middle one now. One thing I will say about Jeffree Star's palette is that they always have so much fucking fallout. Like the Conspiracy palette. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Me acting like a makeup critic when I literally bought my first like eyeshadow palette a month ago. Oops. Ooh, this next one is The Tribe by Juvia. This is their eyeshadow palette. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm such a sucker for greens too.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. This is all just so pretty. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. I'm so excited. These are all just so beautiful.
Okay, I'm going in on this one. I don't have to press down like at all. I'm barely touching it. They are just so pretty and they go on so nicely and you hardly have to put any on your finger for swatching. Oh, these have names. These ones have names. I can't pronounce any of them, but this palette has names. And look at how fucking big those pans are. These are usually like $20. And like if you go to Ulta too, like you can always get like 20% off coupons and stuff. Last palette we have is the Warrior. Let's see. I'm never gonna have to buy any eyeshadow ever again. This is so... Wow. Oh my god, and they just feel so good. Ooh, okay, we got Cotton Candy. I'm definitely gonna be making more videos just like swatching. They're all so unique and they all have such different like stories on the back of them. This exceeded my expectations. My expectations were like up on my roof of my house. They took my expectations and they went to the top of Crosley Tower. It's just like made my whole week. And now I don't wanna cry as much from finals. So thank you, Juvia's Place. This really, you guys really did the most and I am just so excited. So stay tuned for more videos about all of these palettes and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and go buy everything from Juvia's Place because their eyeshadow is unreal, their highlighters are unreal, everything about them is unfreaking real. They are amazing and I cannot recommend their products enough. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, click that like button, notification bell, I don't know, whatever you want to do. I mean I care, but like if you don't want to, you don't have to. I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Oh, Black Baby Record.